What's up, big timers? We've got some brand new Matchbox cars to open up. We've got the Autobahn Express 5-pack, the Dodge D200 pickup. We've got a school bus, and then we'll actually start it off with one that I have beside here, which is the Subaru SVX, the 95 Subaru SVX. A very interesting car from back in the day. Let's go ahead and pop this one open here and get a closer look. It's kind of like a pearly-esque white color to it. Not a lot of detail on the front of it, but kind of a cool looking car overall. I was actually a really big fan of this car growing up. So very, very nice Subaru SVX. Next, we'll move on to the Dodge D200. This thing is just crazy. Check this thing out. Wow, I'm very impressed. I really like this car. So there it is. Just look at the artwork on there. Just big mutter tires on there. So let's go ahead and pop this one open. It is the 68 Dodge D200 from Matchbox. And there it is again, like just big and raised up. Very cool looking. I really like this one. Check it out. All plastic body though. It's kind of a matte finish to it, but it is very plasticky feeling, all plastic all around. But such a cool looking car. Very nice. All right, we'll put that one aside. Next up, we've got the GMC School Bus. If you're a school bus fan, here you go. I don't know. I think school buses are kind of interesting, so I thought I'd pick this one up. So we picked up the school bus. Let's go ahead and have a look at the school bus. And there we go. We've got the little stop sign. I wish they made it so the stop sign just pulled out. That would be really cool if we can just kind of put that out there. But Metro School Bus, Charter District number 4, it says on there. All plastic all around. This is the little door that opens up on there. It's a pretty neat little car, the GMC School Bus. All right, we'll put that one aside. And the main event, the Autobahn Express 5-pack that's got some really cool cars in there. So let's go ahead and take a look on the back. We've got the Mercedes on there, the GLC. Let's go ahead and pop it open though. No wasting any time. I'm just gonna rip it on open here, you guys. No messing around here. This is just coming out the original way you want to open it up. There we go. Pop it open there. All right, we'll put the pack aside. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first car. The first car, we've got stuff just flying around everywhere. The Mercedes GLC, and I don't know if this is like a GLC 43 or GLE. No, it's a GLE Coupe, 2015 Mercedes GLE Coupe. And there it is. I love Mercedes. I think they're cool. I don't know if this is not the official AMG version of it, but it still looks pretty neat though. Mercedes GLC, or GLE, I keep calling it the GLC, it's the GLE. Lamborghini LM002, a Lamborghini SUV. I like this thing. This thing is just a beast. Kind of competed with like the Hummer back in the day. I don't know if it was meant to or not, but it came with like a V12 Lamborghini engine, but it was just super heavy and super slow in real life, but a very collectible car nonetheless. Lamborghini LM002. And next up, we've got the Audi R8. Check out the Audi R8. There it is. Good detail from the front of it. Nice tampo work on there. It's kind of like a gold matte finish to it. And there we go. Audi R8 says in the back. Good detail front and back though. I really like it. The sides, it's too bad we didn't get something painted on the sides for the side blades. That would be kind of cool. But I like the R8. I think it's a really nice looking car. Next up, we have the Bentley Continental GT. This color is fantastic. I love that glossy look on there for that blue color. Very nice. Look at shine just in the lights. The wheels, they're like perfect for the Bentley. The front of it, very nice and detailed for that Continental GT. Good looking on the back. I think overall, I would say this is the best car in the pack so far. We have one more left, but I would think that this Bentley is probably going to be the best one. All right, we'll put that one down. Last but not least, we've got the Volvo V60. I just looked in the back. I cheated, guys. I looked right there on the back. It is a Volvo V60. I wasn't 100% sure what it was, but it's the Volvo V60 Estate, I guess you would call it, or wagon, depending on where you live in the world, but pretty neat looking car. All right, let's bring out all the cars just right up here. Even the D200, the bus, the Subaru SVX. All right, of all the cars that I opened up today, which one do you think is the favorite? My favorite two, you guys probably already know. I pretty much told it. The Dodge D200 would be my first favorite one, and then next I would pick the Continental GT. Those are the two best ones that we opened up today. All right, guys, make sure you smash that thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.